Good morning, students. Now, Unit 1.5, Part 1. We learned that poor John is a confident young girl and ready to fight against English. But Captain Robert de Baudricourt dislikes John. He was not ready to fulfill her demands. She wants him to give her a horse, an armor, and a few soldiers. After getting those things, she can go and meet the Dauphin. Okay, Dauphin means who? The elder or oldest son of the king of France, the one who would become the king after his father. Okay, now see page number 30. Page number 30. I already explained. After hearing this, Robert became angry and said that John was mad and scolded the steward and called him blockhead. Blockhead means stupid person. Okay, blockhead means stupid person. Okay, next see. Again, steward said, "Sir, don't anger her. Give her what she wants." Okay, here he said. Then Robert again, he threatens to send John back to her father and have her locked up. Okay, lock and key means locked up. But John reminds the captain that he agreed to meet with her despite refusing initially. The squire or captain asks her not to assume that he will give her what she wants. Till here I completed. Okay, assuming means what? What? Taking for granted. Okay, till here I completed. Now see next. Okay, John. Esquire continues busily. Busily means okay, non-stop talking. Okay, a horse will cost 16 francs. Okay, I want a horse. It's cost 16 francs. Okay, francs means French currency. Francs means French currency. Okay, she wants 15 francs for what? For a horse cost. It is a big amount of money, but I can save it on the armor. I don't need beautiful armor made to my measure. Okay, see, she said, I don't need beautiful armor made to my measure. That means fit particular person that measured. Okay, that I don't know such beautiful armor. I can find a soldier's armor. Okay, only soldier's armor, that simple armor I want. That will fit me well enough. I shall not want many soldiers. Okay, I don't want many soldiers also. Okay, the Dauphin will give me all I need to free Orleans. See here, Dauphin given. Dauphin means who? The oldest son of the king of France, the one who would become the king after his father, that Dauphin. Okay, Dauphin will give me whatever I want. Okay, she doesn't need many soldiers from him. Okay, she had confidence Dauphin will give her all she needs to free Orleans. Orleans means place in France. Okay, Orleans. Now see next. Robert shocked to free Orleans. Okay, to free Orleans. The squire seemed shocked on hearing that she plans to free Orleans. Okay, so he asked to free Orleans. Simply, yes, squire. 3 men will be enough for you to send with me. Yes, definitely. Only 3 soldiers I want. You send 3 men with me. Okay, this shows her optimism. Okay, positive thinking, positivity. Polly and Jack have promised to come with me. Okay, Polly means actually who? Mr. Bernard de Polanyi. Polly means okay, Mr. Bertrand de Polanyi. That means Polly. Okay, Polly is ready to come with me. Polly and Jack have promised to come with me. She also informed Jack and Polly already promised me to come with me. Okay. Next see. Again Robert. You mean Monsieur de Polanyi. Monsieur means that in English Mr. Okay. In French Monsieur. French word for Monsieur. Miss that okay. French word for Mr. In English Mr. French Monsieur. Okay. You mean Monsieur de Polanyi. Okay. Who said? Robert. Robert means captain or squire. Now John said, yes, squire. Jack will come willingly. Jack also come with me. Along with me, you also ready to come. That also willingly. He is a very kind gentleman. He is a very kind and gentleman. Who? Jack. Okay? Squire Jack will come willingly. He is a very kind gentleman and gives me money to give to the poor. And he gives me money for what? To give to the poor. Okay? And Dick the archer, next to, no, sorry, poor. After that, I think John Godsaway will come. One more name, who? John Godsaway. See here, okay? Polly, Squire Jack and John Godsaway. You underline this all word, okay? Will come. And Dick the archer, one more name, Dick the archer. See, Dick the archer. You also ready to come with her, okay? And their servants, Dick the archer and their servants, all servants ready to join John. John of Honcourt and Julian, one more name, see, John of Honcourt and Julian, they also ready to join. With whom? With John. Okay? For what? To pre Orleans. Ready to go with John, they all, okay? John of Honcourt and Julian, there will be no trouble for you, squire. There will be no trouble for you, squire. Okay? I have arranged it all. Everything I had arranged. Okay? You have only to give the order. I am waiting for your order. Okay? You give me 3 soldiers and 1 horse and armor and Jack, then Polanyi, then who? John Godsaway, Dick the archer, John of Honcourt, Julian, they all ready and promised me, okay, to come with me, okay. They all join with whom? John, okay. Next, Robert to the steward. Is this true about Monsieur de Polanyi? Is it true about? Is ready to join with John? Okay. Now, steward eagerly means what? Excitedly. Okay. Now, steward excitedly. Yes, sir. And about Monsieur de Metz too. And about Monsieur de Metz too. Me also ready to go with him. Okay. One more name he mentioned here. Monsieur de Metz too. They both want to go with her. They also ready to go with her. Okay. Monsieur de Metz also. Okay. Now, Robert goes to the window and shouts into the courtyard. He shouts, go near the window and shouts, okay. Started shouting. Send Monsieur de Polanyi to me. Send Monsieur de Polanyi to me. I want to meet him, okay. He turns. Now see next page number 31. He turns to John. Get out and wait in the yard. Okay. He turned to John. Means he dislikes John. So what he said? Get out and wait in the yard. Okay. John smiling brightly at him. Smiling. Okay. Right, squire. She goes out now. John goes out. Why? He shouted, no? Get out and wait in the yard. So smiling brightly at him. Right, squire. She goes out. Okay. Oh, John. Now Robert to the steward. Go with her. Stay within. Call and keep your eye on her. Watch her carefully. That means, okay. Keep your eye on her. I shall have her up here again. Again, after few minutes later, I will call her. I will call her later. Who said? Robert said. And he also informed steward, stay within call and keep your eye on her. Okay? Watch her carefully, that means, okay? The steward retreats hastily, moves away in hurry, that means, okay? Moves away in a hurry. Bertrand de Polenji, see Polenji's full name, Bertrand de Polenji, Polenji's full name, okay? Bertrand de Polenji. A French guard enters, salutes and stands waiting. They all enters and salutes and stands, okay? Waiting. Robert, now Robert, okay? She says you, Jack and Dick, have offered to go with her. You all offered her and go along with her. You all promised her. What for? Why you all joined with her? Why you all promised her? For what? Do you take her crazy idea? All are ready to take her crazy idea of going to the Doppin seriously? You all want to meet Doppin? Are you serious? Okay? Who asked? Robert. Polenji. Okay? Now see Polenji. Slowly. There is something about her. It may be worth trying. There is something special. Okay? It is good idea to let John meet the Doppin. Okay? There is something about her. It may be worth trying. Okay? Now see page number 30. Page number 30. See here one question given. Why had John wanted to meet Captain Square? Okay? Why? John wanted Captain Square to give her a horse and armor and some soldiers and send her to meet the Doppin. Okay? Listen again. John wanted Captain Square to give her a horse, an armor and some soldiers and send her to meet the Doppin. Okay? And see here one more question given down. Okay? See here one more question given. Name the persons who John needed to free Orleans. Just now I explained these all names. Okay? John needed the following persons to free Orleans. Bertrand de Polenji, Squire Jack, John Godsawe, see here, John Godsawe, Dick the Archer and their servants, John of Wancourt and Julian. They all, okay? Name the persons who John needed to free Orleans, okay? And we will continue on tomorrow.